Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're adding this blog carousel section to your store, and honestly, it's a great way to showcase your latest blog posts or articles in a clean, scrollable carousel right on your homepage. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into how to add it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This will take you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we need to search for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that's going to make building your store so much easier. Open it and install it. The installation process is really simple, just like any other Shopify app. After the installation, go to the Explore Sections tab of this app and search for Journal. You'll only find one section with this name here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details about this section are listed right below. Feel free to read through them if you'd like. I've already purchased this section, so I'll close this and click on My Sections on the left side. This is where you'll only see the sections you've already purchased. Let me scroll down here, and here's the section. Now click on Customize and choose your favorite theme. After a second, the section has been installed successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer, and once it loads, simply click on Add Section, just like we would for any other section, and search for Ribbon. The section will be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's add our first image. Adding images is really simple in this app. Every section here is designed to be easy to use, so it saves you time and you don't have to touch any code at all. After adding all the images like this, hit the Save button, and now let's take a look in View mode. Here you can see the same section has been added to our store successfully, but these arrows aren't working right now because I've added all the images already. If you want, you can add even more images according to your own products. And that's really all there is to it. A simple way to showcase your blog posts in style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.